This BMW looks cheap until you own it. You can buy a used BMW 3 Series today for the same money as a Toyota Camry. Luxury badge, sporty looks, legendary driving feel. But here's the truth most dealers won't tell you. This could be the best used car you ever buy, or a financial nightmare. So, before you fall for the badge, let's break down who should buy a used BMW 3 Series and who should run away fast. Who should buy a used BMW 3 Series? Let's start with the people who actually make sense for this car. Buy it if you love driving. The BMW 3 Series is still one of the best handling sedans ever made. Perfect steering, balanced chassis, rear-wheel drive feel you don't get from most sedans. If driving enjoyment matters to you more than just A to B reliability, this car delivers. Buy it if you can afford maintenance, not just the price. This is not a cheap car. It's a cheap BMW. Big difference. If you can handle premium fuel, higher labor costs, preventive maintenance, you'll enjoy this car way more than most boring competitors. Best engines to look for: 328i, 330i, 4-cylinder turbo. Best balance of power and reliability. Avoid heavily modified cars. Stock plus full service records equals green light. Who should skip this BMW? Now let's talk about who should not touch this car. Skip if you want Toyota-level reliability. This is not a Camry. It will break. Not constantly, but more than Japanese rivals. If you want oil changes and nothing else, this isn't your car. Skip high-mileage cars with no service history. A cheap BMW with 100K plus miles, missing maintenance records, multiple owners. Huge red flag. These cars need consistent care. Neglect equals expensive repairs. Skip if you're stretching your budget. If buying the car empties your wallet, you won't afford what comes after. And trust me, something will come after. Common problems and maintenance. This is where ownership gets real. Oil leaks common from valve cover gasket, oil filter housing gasket. Not catastrophic, but not cheap either. Timing chain concerns older models. Early models had issues if oil changes were skipped. Regular maintenance reduces risk. Neglect increases it fast. Cooling system problems. Plastic components. Hoses and expansion tanks. These don't age well. Preventive replacement saves money long term. Electronics. Sensors, infotainment glitches, warning lights. BMW electronics are advanced and sensitive. Ownership costs in 2025. Let's talk numbers, because this is where people get shocked. Maintenance, oil change, more expensive than average. Brakes and suspension, premium pricing. Labor costs higher than Japanese cars. Fuel, premium fuel only. Turbo engines equals decent MPG, but not cheap to run. Repairs. A single unexpected repair can easily hit 4 figures. The car is affordable to buy, expensive to own if you're unprepared. So, is the used BMW 3 Series a smart buy or an expensive mistake? Buy it if you love driving, you budget for maintenance, you find a well-maintained example. Skip it if you want stress-free ownership, you're on a tight budget, you think luxury means cheap to own. This BMW will reward you, but only if you respect it. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, hit like, subscribe, and comment buy or skip below. And tell me, would you choose a used BMW 3 Series or play it safe with a Camry? Next episode, another used car that looks like a bargain.